The Apple Watch Series 8 is the latest and greatest smartwatch from Apple, and it comes with a number of new features that make it even more powerful and versatile than its predecessors. One of the most notable new features of the Apple Watch Series 8 is its temperature sensor. This sensor allows the Apple Watch to track your body temperature, which can be helpful for monitoring your health and fitness. For example, the Apple Watch can use your body temperature to help you track your menstrual cycle, or to see if you're coming down with a cold. Another new feature of the Apple Watch Series 8 is its improved fall detection. This feature can now detect if you've fallen in a severe car crash, and it can automatically call emergency services for you. This is a life-saving feature that could potentially save your life in the event of an accident. The Apple Watch Series 8 also has a new, more durable design. This design is made to withstand even the most extreme conditions, making it the perfect smartwatch for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. In addition to these new features, the Apple Watch Series 8 also has a number of other improvements, including a brighter display, a faster processor, longer battery life, new workout apps, new watch faces. Overall, the Apple Watch Series 8 is a major upgrade over its predecessors. It's more powerful, versatile, and durable than ever before. If you're looking for a new smartwatch, the Apple Watch Series 8 is definitely worth considering. The temperature sensor on the Apple Watch Series 8 is not a medical-grade thermometer, but it can be used to track changes in your body temperature over time. This information can be helpful for detecting early signs of illness or infection. The improved fall detection on the Apple Watch Series 8 can detect if you've fallen and are unconscious. If it does, it will automatically call emergency services for you. This feature can be a lifesaver, especially for people who are at risk of falling, such as the elderly or people with disabilities. The Apple Watch Series 8 is water-resistant up to 50 meters, so you can wear it while swimming or showering. It's also dust-resistant, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged if you're working in a dusty environment. The Apple Watch Series 8 comes in two sizes, 41mm and 45mm. It's also available in a variety of colors, so you can find one that matches your style. It was released in September 2022, and it comes with a number of new features and improvements over previous models. The Apple Watch Series 8 starts at $399 for the GPS-only model, with the GPS and cellular version going for $499 and up. Here is a table of the different models of the Apple Watch Series 8 and their prices. Model. Price. Apple Watch Series 8, GPS, $399. Apple Watch Series 8, GPS plus cellular, $499. Apple Watch Series 8, Nike, $429. Apple Watch Series 8, Nike plus cellular, $529. Apple Watch Series 8, Hermes, $1,099. Apple Watch Series 8, Hermes plus cellular, $1,199.